here we are at Walmart. We're gonna find out if these Fram air filters that New York Outcast says are a good value are made in America or made in China. Okay, here we go. Fram air filter. True air for a Honda. Made in USA. Huh. Too bad it's for a Honda. How about the Ultra Air? At least this one's for a GM. And this one is made in the USA as well. Huh? Well, there you go. New York Outcast was right. Good price. Everybody's got a Walmart. Fram air filters, made in the USA. 11959. That's for my truck. Made in USA. $17.97. That's not too bad. Thanks, Outcast. Now it's time to change out the air filter. Out with the old. A little bit of Nebraska in there. In with the new. Bit of a tight fit, but with the help of my persuader here, everything's able to line up. I can just tighten down the screws after getting them started in a crisscross pattern so that the lid of the airbox seals. Thanks for watching.